still thinking SD-WAN is just about replacing MPLS, or AI is only for software engineers? If yes, then this video will completely change your perspective. Guys, my name is Parful Mishra. I'm a network engineer helping people like you to learn what books don't teach. You know, according to the research, more than 65% enterprises in the world are using SD-WAN. Why? Because businesses are moving to cloud. Apps are hosted everywhere. Users are working from home, cafes, airport, isn't it? Let's take an example of company like Zomato in India or Tesla in the US. Their workforce is distributed. They need a fast, secure and reliable network. Here SD-WAN makes it possible. And you know, network is getting complex. That's why AI comes in picture. For an example, let's suppose you are sleeping and there is an alarm. That particular site is down. So here AI can detect it and even can resolve it automatically while you are sleeping. Does it mean that AI is going to replace the job of network engineer? No, guys, absolutely no. AI will create the jobs for network engineer. You are going to manage your complex network with the help of AI. But who will operate the AI? You are going to operate the AI. You are going to integrate the AI in the SNMP or in all your network monitoring tools or troubleshooting tools. But network engineers are still required. In future, demand of network engineers will be keep increasing. And guys, if you want to master the modern technologies, must check our upcoming batches. To check more, visit our website pmnetworking.in or call us now. Thank you.